My name is Abraham.
Okay, sounds good. What position do you play?
Running back.
Cool, cool. Now, when you first heard about Tom Beef Texas, what was the first thing that went through your mind?
High school football. I mean, it's kind of hard not to think about high school.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. Now, a lot of people outside looking in, they say that Tom Beef Texas is a crazy league because it's a lot of people tackling without pads. What's your take on that?
I agree with it. I mean, when I first heard about it, it was intriguing. It was interesting. Something I definitely wanted to try out. I don't know if I'd make a career out of it, but, you know, definitely something I want to try out.
Sounds good, sounds good. Now, man, what is your team expectations and what is your individual expectations?
Team expectations, man, I expect our team, you know, to perform at its best. And I also expect that for myself. I expect to go as far as, you know, I can possibly go and help this team as much as I can.
Sounds good, sounds good. And that goes with your individual expectations also, right?
That's correct, yeah.
Sounds good, sounds good. Now, my last question for you, man. Who's your favorite teammate thus far in training camp and why?
Teammate, I'm gonna have to go with Coach just to get on his good side.
Sounds good. Hey, that's the best way to go.
That's right.
Thank you so much, man.
Hey, no problem.